Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to see how easy it is to combine your Canva designs into one project? Open Canva and select a project to edit. Click on the project you want to open. This example opens one project, but you can choose any other project from your list. Simply click the desired project to start working on it. This allows you to easily manage multiple projects in Canva. Select the page you want to copy. Right-click and choose Copy. Next, navigate to the project where you want to add it. Right-click on the desired location and select Paste. This combines the two projects by merging the copied page into the second project, streamlining your workflow efficiently and keeping all content organized in one place. Paste the copied content into this page. Once everything is in place, click the Share button to generate a link. Then, press Download to save your work. This ensures your copy is securely stored and easily accessible whenever needed. Increase the size for better quality before clicking Download. Also, review all settings to ensure your file matches your preferences. If pages are selected, you can combine them easily in Canva by choosing the desired pages and clicking the Combine button to merge your project seamlessly. Now you know how to merge two Canva projects easily. Smash that like button and subscribe for more quick tips.